Hi, my name is Anusha. Today I'm going to discuss about the tasks which we have completed in Sprint 2 in our project. Our project name is Design and Develop an IT Help Desk Ticketing System. So the timeline for Sprint 2 started on 5th September and ended on 25th of September. My other team members are Achyut, Hari, Rojina and Sagar. So this is our project team schedule for sprint 2. We have a session on all the tasks which we completed in sprint 1, and we also conducted a session for work allocation schedule for sprint 2 tasks. We discussed about the survey questionnaires so that we can work further or in our project. We also recorded the progress and status bar for our user stories through Trello application. And we also conducted a session for product finalization, which we will complete in next sprint. So this is the user story status, which we recorded in Trello. So we categorized all the user stories through high, low, medium priority, and all members of our group working on each user stories. So currently I'm working on this, in which I had completed the research and documentation in sprint 1 for integration capabilities. And in this sprint, I covered gap analysis, research, and documentation. So 67% proportion has been covered in sprint 1 and 2, and I'll cover deployment plan in next sprint. So this is our 2B model for IT ticketing system. So there are two main prospective: customer process and resolve incidents. So from the customer perspective, firstly, they just inform about their incident to the support team, and support team detect that incident and record and categorize so that it will assign to a particular team member. Side by side, sometimes customer also give their additional details of the incidents and wait for the response. On this time, the resolve incidents diagnose the problem and try to resolve it, and then close that particular ticket. When they close their ticket, the message has been sent to customer that the ticket has been resolved and they finish their work. So this is our individual task sheet for sprint 2, which we recorded in Trello. So these are the tasks which each member has completed in this sprint. So I worked on gap analysis for our project. For in gap analysis, I covered need of gap analysis, what are the stages in gap analysis, and gap analysis metrics through literature review. So these are the things which I covered in my literature view, that gap analysis has three different stages we are focusing in our project, that is desire state, current state, and action state. In action state, I worked on action plans, what are the uh, gaps, and how can we fix those gaps in the particular software. And in the desired state, we gathered all the information and requirements from our client so that we can work on it and propose a best software to our client. So these are the learnings which I have learned in a particular sprint. So I have delivered all relevant data for our project finalization. Also for project finalization, each member is working on each tool so that we can propose the best software, IT ticketing software to our client. Also, I also have research on Zendex tool. What are the price? What is the price of different Zendex tools, and what are the features? What is the service and process flow? And I also compared it with other tools. So I have completed all the requirements deliverables on time. I personally feel we have met our clients' expectation, and we would deliver the product demonstration in our coming sprint. Thank you.